Junior, you see from morning you out there ramp and a play marble and cricket with them boy. You forget when mama say none of we now go grand market if we not do what we have to do in a yard, and me done everything what me have to do already. You too lie, you not done do nothing what you fi do yet. And you know say me well want go grand market, because last year you know say me only one we never get fi go because them bigger one never done them sitting where them fi do in a yard. But the thing is then thief where me da fi turn home. Stop tell me fi tell people your business. Because remember say, you still have to go up a woodland fi go look all I would them, because you know say mama have to roast her breadfruit every Christmas morning. You still have to go feed the egg them in a egg pen. You still have to go feed the chicken them. Plus you have to kill 2 chicken for Christmas morning. Jesus. And top of that you have to full up a whole barrel them round the back with water. You turn there. Me say, me can't wait for grow up, Me can't wait for grow up and be big. So me can go grand market when me want go.